Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican burritos. First, let's gather our delicious ingredients. You'll need about 8 large flour tortillas, 1 pound of your favorite cooked meat, and 1 cup each of rice and beans. Don't forget fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a zesty salsa. For extra richness, have some sour cream, creamy guacamole, and shredded cheese on hand. These simple components are the key to a fantastic burrito experience. Now let's build your perfect burrito. Start by warming each large flour tortilla for about 15 seconds in a dry pan or microwave. This makes them wonderfully pliable. Next, spread a thin, even layer of beans or rice down the center, leaving about 2 inches clear on the sides. Then, add about 1/2 cup of your cooked protein, a 1/4 cup of cheese, and your favorite fresh vegetables. Don't overfill, as this makes folding difficult. The folding technique is crucial for a neat burrito. First, fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla, about 1 inch each, over your delicious filling. Next, bring the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the filling, tucking it in tightly to secure everything. Finally, roll the burrito firmly from the bottom upwards, maintaining a snug wrap. This creates a compact, secure package that holds all the goodness inside. Your amazing homemade burrito is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh. You might consider cutting your burrito in half diagonally. This not only makes it easier to eat, but also beautifully showcases all those delicious layers inside. Pair it with a little extra salsa, a side of crispy tortilla chips, or your favorite refreshing beverage. Enjoy every single bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.